Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a request I've had for a song from Otis called These Arms of Mine. Sort of a slow blues song, okay. Standard tuning, capo on the 1st fret, puts us into the same key that Otis originally recorded this song, okay. So without more to do, I'm going to try and yodel my way through this song. I'm trying to make a very simple arrangement for you, and hopefully you'll be good to go with it afterwards when I've broken it down for you, okay? So here we go, singing for reference purposes only as usual. So here we go. These arms of mine, they are lonely and feeling blue. These arms of mine, they are yearning from wanting you. And if you would let them hold you, how grateful I will be. These arms of mine, they are burning from wanting you. These arms of mine, they are wanting to hold you. And if you would let them hold you, oh, how grateful I would be. Come on, baby, just to be my little woman, yeah. Just be my lover, I need somebody to treat me right. I need your warm, loving arms to hold me tight. I need your tender lips too. Hold me, hold me, hold me tight. These something like that, you get the idea, don't you? Obviously he fades out on the record, but just a little simple entry in there. So let's get to it. It's a very simple song really. Starts off in A, okay. Obviously the first line is unaccompanied, these arms of mine. And all I'm doing is arpeggiating it. Obviously there's on the record there's a piano doing the constant da 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 da, and the guitar is doing basically what I'm about to show you, okay? So basically I'm just arpeggiating the A chord down from the 5th string open, down to the 2nd string, and then back up again. That sort of thing, okay? So these arms of mine are lonely. We go to an E chord, I'm doing the same sort of thing on E, playing the bottom E string open, that sort of thing. Okay, so these arms of mine, they are lonely. And basically when I'm doing the E chord, I'm just going down from the bottom E string to the 3rd string, okay, and then back up 4, 5, okay. And then on the 2nd time you do it, do that little rundown. You hit the 4th string on the 2nd fret, then the 1st fret of the 4th string, and then you're into the D chord. And the arpeggiation on that is 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then back to the A. So from the beginning, These arms of mine are they lonely, lonely and feeling blue. These arms of mine, repeat everything, they are yearning, yearning from wanting you. Got the idea? So just again, we'll go through that a bit slower, or slowish. These arms of mine, they are lonely, lonely and feeling blue. These arms of mine, they are yearning, yearning from wanting you. Okay, then we go into the sort of a chorus come bridgey sort of section. And if you would let them hold you, oh, how grateful I would be. Okay, that bit. Okay, so again it's the A, and if you, and you go into an A augmented. Okay, so the first one is the A, and if you, and then you go into this A augmented, which is basically first finger is playing the first fret of the bottom top E string, top E string first fret. Second finger is playing the second fret of the third string, the G string. Third finger is playing the second fret of the second string, the B string, and finally pinky is playing the third fret of the fourth string, the D string, and A fifth string open. Okay, that should sound like that from 5 down to 1. Okay, A augmented. So we're coming into this bit, yearning, wanting you. And if you, and this is like a run up, so okay, that sort of, it's just one arpeggiation on sequence on each chord. Okay, so the first one is the A, as usual, 5 down to 2 and then back up. Then you play the arpeggiation on A augmented, and I'm playing from 4 down to 1 and then back up again. Okay, then I'm playing a version of A6, basically a bar on the second fret on the first 3 strings, and third finger is playing the 4th fret from the capo on the D string, and then again I'm arpeggiating that. 4 down to 1 and back up again. Okay, so far we've got this. And then finally I'm playing an A7th. And again on the A7th you can go from 4 down to 1 and back up again, or 5 down to 2 and up back again. It depends how you like the sound of. Okay, so coming out of that last, we'll do a so, and if you would let them, how D, got that, so, and if you would let them hold you, oh D, how, E, grateful I will be, back to A. Okay, so A augmented, A6, A7, D, E, A. And you can pick it or strum it or just single chords, sweeps, do what you like with it, however you feel. It's up to you how you like to play it. Okay, so you could just play a single sweep on each chord, and if you would let them hold Okay, it's up to you, or you could mix and match. Okay, bit of strumming, bit of picking. And if you would only let them hold you, how grateful I would be. See, it's a mix. However you want to play it, it's up to you. Strum it, arpeggiate it. Okay, so that's the verse and the chorus bit sorted. It then repeats another verse, it's played exactly the same, and another chorusy bit played exactly the same. Okay, so let's just do the whole thing up to the end of the second chorus from the beginning. Okay, these arms of mine, they are lonely, lonely and feeling blue. These arms of mine, they are yearning, yearning from wanting you. And if you would let them hold you, how grateful I will be. These arms of mine, they are burning, burning from wanting you. These arms of mine, they are wanting, wanting to hold you. And if you would let them hold you, how grateful I would be. Okay, so that's sort of different ways of playing it. Okay, so if you've got somebody else with you playing it, obviously both of you could play it in different styles. And as the second guitarist, when it gets to the "and if you would only let them," that he could actually, he or she could actually do the bit that's on the record where they're going. Okay, that bit. And if you would only let them hold on, how grateful, that bit. So all that is basically single notes from the second fret on the fourth string, sort of just up and down, picking on the same string. Okay, up to the next fret. It goes up one fret to the third fret, to the fourth fret, to the fifth fret from the capo, and then back to the D and the E and the A. Okay, so that's that if you've got a second guitarist with you. Okay, so and then the only thing that's left is the outro section, which is a bit ad-lib-ish, okay, shall we say. So when it comes out of that second chorus, and if you would let them hold you, how grateful I would be. Does that? Plays, it stays on A for a little while, and then it does a little run up to D. Okay, second fret on the fifth string, fourth fret on the fifth string, the A string, and then we go into the D. Come on, E, come on, back to A, baby, and then an A seventh. So the A chord with an open third string. Okay, and then you can either strum it or arpeggiate that, and then you do another run up to the D, second on the fifth, fourth on the fifth to the D. Okay, and then to E, back to A, arpeggiate or strum an A seventh, raise it up again. It just does that round and round until the record fades out. Okay, that's all it is. Okay, so if I do the last chorus for you, and then we'll do that. Okay, excuse the ad-lib singing, I'm not particularly into ad-lib singing, so so, and if you could let them hold you, oh how grateful I will be. Come on, baby, just to be my little woman, yeah. Just be my lover, I need somebody to treat me right. Hold me, hold me tight. These arms of mine. Something like that, because he just fades out on the record. Okay, just going round and round ad-libbing. So you have to finish it somehow. So there you have it. Hopefully that's my take on Otis Redding's These Arms of Mine. Simple version. Okay, thanks for watching and listening. Hope that helps you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.